how to add already installed games on your Epic Games. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily add already installed games on your PC to your Epic Games. So first thing, just head over to your Epic Games application, Epic Games Store application, and make sure you click on any one of these games which you basically like to download. And once you click on this, it will automatically create the folder on the path, on your designated path. So let me just quickly, so once again, once you click on install, as you can see, it will ask for the path. So now you can see there are two folders. One is the created from the Epic files itself, and one is my original game. So you can basically delete the files created from the Epic Games and choose the files for the locate the file next time you install it for your original file. And as you can see, it will be showing now verifying instead of installing. So once you do all of that, your game should be added to your library. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.